What you got going on up in that kitchen, Roach? You got some collard greens, some black eyed peas, fried chicken, pasta.
What's up, you guys? And welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. Alright? And for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love. And thanks for coming to watch. Alright? So, y'all already know. I'm getting ready to make some easy oven baked baby back ribs. Alright? It's a little chilly out today, so I didn't feel like messing around with the grill and doing all that extra stuff. So I chose to put them in the oven because I haven't had ribs in a minute and I just had a taste for them. Alright? So, you already know. Let's get started.
What you cooking, Roach? What you cooking?